Here we are at our private suite at Kilindi on Zanzibar. This place is multi-level and multi-amazing. We have our own lounge area here with the first of two plunge pools over here. During the day they bring out lounge chairs for us. And then we will go upstairs to our second level, which is where the bedroom is. Here to the right, pretty amazing. Can be set up as a king or two singles as it is now. And then our second of two plunge pools. Pretty amazing. And now we'll show you the bathroom. What do you think, Ginge?
Amazing!
Here we go, up the stairs. This will be interesting at night.
After 2 bottles of champagne.
Yeah. So we have our full ensuite bathroom, looking out over the Indian Ocean, complete with rain shower. And then looking back, oh my gosh, amazing.